This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Christina DiFilippo. This two-story home in Kanawha City sits on a corner lot, has a partially fenced yard and detached one-car garage. This home has 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. The room designated as the den was once an efficiency kitchen and has a main floor bedroom and bath just beyond it. Hardwoods are under some carpet. This home has been very well cared for. For more information, review the details below or contact Christina DiFilippo at 304-201-7653.